It's that time of the year when you start to think about gifts for your kids' teachers and caregivers, and I like to create a personalised potted gift.
If you're growing from seeds, choose ones that sprout really quickly, like marigolds, sunflowers or calendulas.
You can personalise the plant choices to suit your teachers as well. I've got here some succulents, which of course are sun-loving and hardy, and you can even take cuttings from them. I've also got some beautiful edible herbs and edible flowers, so if they're a teacher that loves cooking, these would be perfect. Or if you want to be a little bit cheeky, perhaps your teacher has been the best teacher for your kids this year, and you could choose a dwarf bean. Either way, all you need to do for each of the plants is to pop them straight into the pot.
Succulent cuttings are super easy. Just poke them straight into the potting mix.
Now these are the perfect gift that you can make with the kids for their teachers. And when you're ready to gift them on, I like to pop in a cute little sign. And if the plant choice isn't as obvious as you might think, you might like to write on the back exactly what the teacher's getting. I've popped here on the front, "Thank you for helping me to grow." And I think that's going to make your kids the teacher's pet.